tell about my comics. So, I made a story in here, and I'm telling about the character in 4 seconds that's name is Elliot. So the first part is Elliot is survivor and Elliot is survivor at Elliot is survivor at the game in Roblox, and he is supporter in there. I think he is a good person in there, and before he got the 4 second, he worked at Builder Brother Pizza.
Pizzas?
Yes.
Okay.
Or we can say it in the game is work at pizza place.
Okay, and
And he is just waiting to help in any way.
oh, that. Not only to you whisper to yourself. You are closer like scream. He became.
Huh?
What's that? He became to that word. Do I write it down?
No. I explained right.
Continue.
And he used to support her friends with her
With what?
ability.
Okay, then?
And he is delivering person who does want life in course.
I cannot catch. What do you
Yes.
speak louder?
Louder. Ah, like that.
He became that word because was kidnapped by the rules of the game.
And then?
And the second part is.
Repeat. The second
part
is
is he always makes pizza to feed his friends
open your mouth.
to keep his friend from dying. And the person she doesn't like is cooking at her bed. The name is 007 because he has destroyed his workplace.
Okay.
He still hates 007, who is the survivor there, but he's still a good side to save him.
Okay.
And
What else again? Continue. He is bad, but he still has a good side. Okay.
Yeah.
And then?
And I like to use
This
this
character.
character because I like to be a supporter in there.
Okay, and then? What happened after that? So how? Revenge or no?
Huh?
Can you say the man already destroyed his workplace?
Yeah.
And then so what happened? The story is not finished yet.
And her workplace is broken up.
Yeah, so?
Get hacked like that.
What does he do then to that man? Does he revenge to that man or just he let it go?
Her friends, I don't know, her friend is Builderman or owner from Roblox is banned them.
Oh, so this is the story not finished.
Not really.
Hanging this one.
Yes. Hanging
Unfinished story then.
Miss, terrorism.
Yeah. So this is unfinished story.
From the 4 second.
Yeah.
Yes. Only like that.
Yeah.
Only like that.
Yes.
Oh. So why do you choose that story then? Not finished even.
Just tell them because
Just tell
I
the reason
like.
Why do you choose that story?
Because I don't know what story I want
Tell.
to tell.
But I like.
But you like Roblox.
Yeah.
Just tell it. Only like I don't know.
Okay. Okay, now go to the second one. Perasaan?
The
video.
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 DIY your close encounter.
Tell about the close encounter as well.
Let's go. Just one.
No, I choose close encounter as well.
So, at one day,
At one day, just
One day.
what?
Just one day. No need at one day.
One day, there is Matt that fetch Helen and Jane cleaning their house
Okay, then.
because Jane's sister is come to visit,
Then.
and Helen asks Jane at what clock that Jane's sister come.
Okay. Then.
And Jane's answer is 12. Let's see,
12:30.
12.
12:30 like that.
Yeah.
No.
And they continue to clean. Don't forget that she has yoga class, so she asks her friends to pick up her sister,
Then.
and he chose Matt because Matt has cleaning. And Allison is tall, and he is called early
Okay.
because she gets the first train,
Okay.
and after that, Matt asks Allison to wait at Rose Cafe, and then Matt asks how Allison looks like, and Allison wears a cream coat, and she has a curly hair. After that, Allison asks the same question to Matt, and the man says he wears a black jacket and black pants
Okay.
and black shirt. Right. And after that, let's go to the Rose Cafe to meet Allison, but on the way he got fat tired. So he fixed the mistake on hair, and it takes long time. And after that, the man finally already at the Rose Cafe. And the problem is there is a woman that's same with Allison. So Matt says that woman is Allison.
Okay. And then.
The Allison is know that he is Matt, and apologize with that woman. And when they want to go home, Allison see that Matt bring big bag, and then Matt think that is bag from Allison, but Allison doesn't know what Matt is it. So they go to Rose Cafe, but it's late because that woman Oh, thank you.
Okay. Why can't Matt greet the wrong person at the cafe?
Because the he thinks that person is Alison because he is safe.
What should Matt do so he can greet Alison correctly?
What is great?
Greet menyapa.
Or maybe ask her name
Okay.
and
Let's say what should you do if you want to meet with someone that you never met before?
ask her or maybe memastikan
And show.
are you sure it is
Yeah, how? How?
take a photo.
Take a photo. Okay, and then what else again? Besides photo, what else again?
Maybe call and
Okay. Call who?
the person
Call a person. Okay. Then. Okay. And why did Matt and also Alison go home so late?
because let's get conversation with police.
So, when someone's brought your bag, what should you do? Will you also call the police directly?
Yes.
Why?
Because he's I think he is Malin.
Oh, stealer.
Yeah.
Okay. Next one. Which one will you prioritize? Your yoga class or your sister?
My yoga class.
Why?
Because there is my friends wants to
Wants to what?
think about our sister.
Your sis. Even though your sister, it's been long time for her, doesn't meet you.
Maybe I
Okay.
think of the sister.
Okay. And also, why does Matt volunteer to pick up Alison?
Can you repeat?
Why does Matt volunteer? Dia volunteer no, mengajukan diri to pick up Alison.
Because he doesn't cleaning.
He doesn't.
He doesn't like cleaning.
He doesn't like cleaning.